Hello traders, am I audible to you? Just let me know. Is my voice clear? Hi, good evening. First, how are you? Sir, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. I hope you're doing good too. All right. Another 6 more minutes for the pre-market data. We'll wait for a while. Hopefully others join the group as well. Hope all well. Nice thumbnail, by the way. Thank you. This is actually an old thumbnail. Regularly we were using same thumbnail, right? So just thought of changing. Good evening, Srinivas sir. Grey Matter, good evening. Hope you're doing well too. Tech Talkies, welcome to the live stream. Now, quickly in the comment section, please tell me what is your view about the market. Let me conduct a poll. Sheila Muthu ma'am, I'm doing well. I hope you're doing well too. All right, 26 people joined the live stream, only 8 likes. Please support the channel by liking the video. Meanwhile, I'll just share my view about the market. Now, in recent times, you can see this is a strong wick. Let's say sellers pressure was there in this week on a 3 minutes time frame. I'm just saying. After that, this area acted as resistance, again resistance here, third resistance. Market fourth time it is coming to the resistance area. So most of the time, based on price action, I'm saying most of the time, if resistance level is tested many times, market has a tendency of moving towards the upside. Same way, people who's looking at this area as a resistance, okay, they would have entered bearish trade. All right, so here anyone by chance looking at this move that I thought bullish, they're getting trapped. Same way, when market starts moving towards the downside, many people might be thinking of entering a bearish trade. Their stop loss is on top. To hunt the stop loss, market can tend to move towards the upside. Here, one psychological level, what I have noticed is 93,000. Okay, previously this area was acting as supporting zone. Support 1, 2, 3, 4. Once this level is broken, this might act as resistance. So I'm feeling, since the buyers from 92,000, they have pushed the market solidly towards the upside. Even if they correct the market a bit, later at some point of time, they might push the market again towards the upside. So that is the basic view looking at this chart I'm having right now. We'll wait for the market to open. Let's get all the necessary data and then we will decide how to go about it. Okay, only 44% of the people are bullish. Of course, immediately at this breakout, even I'm not that confident to take a bullish trade because market is kind of at a resistance zone. For example, this is 618 level. This can act as resistance. Let's say market gave a breakout directly, it went to this resistance. I wouldn't have taken any trade, and from here if it corrects, since market has tested this level many times, then if there is any bullish setup, small stop loss, I'll be looking for opportunity towards the upside. Initially only if it corrects, then next reversal opportunity from the top side I'll be looking at. Okay, too much of humidity. How many people what is the weather? How is the weather in your place? I've turned on the fan, portable fan. Just let me know if there is any disturbance or not. Santosh Kumar sir, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. Today and yesterday, very, very hot, right? So here, 7 o'clock move has started in the market. It has given a breakout. I don't know how well this breakout would sustain. Of course, this is a resistance. Market has tested this level many times, but maybe there was going to be a correction and later a breakout. That is why randomly I'm not planning for any bullish trade right now. I'll wait for certain levels where I get opportunity. I'll try. It's super hot in Mumbai. I stay in Bangalore. They used to say this is garden city, and here so much humidity. Really can't bear. Especially yesterday and today, the heat is something that we cannot handle itself. Market has given a breakout. Okay, my expectation is let the breakout sustain after pullback or anything as such. Then we will plan for bullish trade is what I'm thinking right now. Still other data also I have to get. Once the data, if we get maybe better. Dow Jones as of now, based on the data, it is saying 53 points lower. We will consider that as neutral itself. I go on a 5 minutes time frame. If Dow Jones is opened somewhere here, expectation is market might tend to fill this gap. Gap is very close. Will market move up to this gap is doubtful. We will see, because before this what has happened in Dow Jones is it has where is the chart, nicely corrected for a while. Okay, it has given a breakout, it has come for a retest. Any random people who enters bearish trade to hunt their stop loss again, Dow Jones can move. Mostly I will not give too much importance to Dow Jones compared to S&P 500 and Nasdaq, but that data, yes, I should be receiving, right? So I'm just waiting for that. Volume and all here is very high, that I'm seeing, but still no confidence in this bullish trade. Yes, it is a strong breakout. 3-4 times market has tested this level and it has given a breakout, but let's get a follow-up or continuation. Maybe then we can focus. I don't know how weather is in Dubai. Here only we're not able to handle means. I know some of you stay in Dubai. I work from Shillong. During the summer. It's quite pleasant here. Okay. Even I think I have to shift somewhere. At least for 2 months, then come back. Those of you watching the live stream, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do that. If you're not yet like the live stream as well, please do that as well. So basically Nasdaq and S&P 500 has shown a slight gap up. There's nothing compared to in future. Let's say it has opened with a gap up, it's come here. Later when it breaks the upper level, maybe it has a chance of continuation. If it goes below this, then no point in looking for bullish trade, because this can be a gap filling zone. Little we will wait any correction, then we will look for opportunity. This is S&P 500. Now Nasdaq we will see. Nasdaq case also is somewhat similar. It has opened somewhere here. Let's say there is some attraction of people, and later if there is a breakout, trend line you draw, breakout, retest or correction, then continuation means maybe we can look for opportunity towards the upside. Here it's not giving confidence. If it wants to move, let it move. Maybe it will go up to this zone, test this zone, later correct, something like that it can do. People always escape to Coorg or Kodai when they catch a break. Yes, weekend means we can go. Weekdays means now I'm very used to looking at two screens because of the live stream and all those things. So getting adjusted to that also is a bit of a problem. Come to Coimbatore, sir. Sir, I know how Coimbatore is right now. Definitely, I will not come. All I can say is I'll pray for you. Maybe you got used to that weather. We'll see how market sustains this breakout. Directly at the breakout, everyone will be thinking of entering. And market is somewhere near 618 level. Consider this zone and this zone, okay? Maybe these two zone, considering this as support 1, 2, and here this is support 1, 2. These levels can act as the next resistance area in the market. When market tend to survive above that, then it has potential of continuation. Definitely people would have seen this breakout on a 3 minutes time frame, or let's say I switch to 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame also there's a solid breakout. So let the breakout, any failure, something like that, let it happen so that we get better entry for our trade. Please visit Nandi Hills Saturday morning. I stay in Bangalore, no? Nandi Hills at least maybe 10 times I would have visited so far. Sir, please explain my doubt. Sir, I was backtesting Bitcoin, observed many times Fibonacci 0.5 is not working many times, sir. Does Fibonacci strategy has low success rate, sir? Fibonacci, the way how you use in Indian market, you cannot use it exactly that way, okay? Anyways, I'm making a course. That course will be available. That is based on Fibonacci itself. That will, I'm planning to give it end of this month. I'll upload that in the this one, crypto community group. All right. So there, if you want, you join. If you have already opened account with Delta Exchange, you have already member of this group, then patiently wait. We'll give you the access. Once the video is live, I will mention everywhere. You can start watching that video. Maybe that would help you, and it might give you a different perspective about the market. All right. Sir, no response for my message. Still, you haven't added me to crypto community. You send me WhatsApp message, sir. I don't know when you sent me a message. There is chance that randomly some messages, maybe by mistake, we could have missed it out. You send a message once more with your Delta Exchange user ID. We'll check and update for you. If you're not a member, you can open account with Delta Exchange using the link what is there in the pinned comment. Okay. So once you do that, send a WhatsApp message to the number what is displaying on the screen. My team will help you with the access to the group. Okay. You have to give us 24 hours time. See, 618 level is acting as a resistance area for the market right now. Breakout, if it is a retest, then continuation, means little confidence we will have on the bullish side. Randomly at this breakout, don't want to enter. Should we enter a bearish trade here? See, I don't know from here if market will reverse, or after correcting up to this zone market will reverse. If we enter, maybe we have a chance of capturing, let's say, around 300-400 points, but for that we have to be very quick. We have to keep trailing the stop loss and things like that. See, this continuation is happening, right? 618 level. So I don't know how far this is going to correct. Once removing, maybe we buyers later it can move towards the upside. So I don't want to take any random entry on the bullish side. Let market again sustain this level, then we will see. See, by the time I explain you only about the correction, market has given that move. What can I do? 300 points, like I said. Oh sir, I have opened account separately without your code. That is a challenging thing. You do one thing, you send a WhatsApp message to our WhatsApp number. We will see. In case if we can add you to our under us, we will do that. If not, it will be difficult. Breakout has failed 618 level resistance, so that's one of the reason we avoided taking any bullish trade, trusting this breakout. In case you don't get any reply today, send a message tomorrow as well, okay? Because today, because of other reasons, I will not be able to look at the messages after this live stream. I have to be somewhere. So if I don't respond by chance, by tomorrow, let's say 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, maybe you can reach out to me later point of the day. I will slightly bullish S&P 500, 5 minutes time frame. Switch to, still it looks like pre-market only data. Very big gap up, huh? This one will market sustain. Let's come here. How much points is this? 300 points. Breakout is done, retest is done. So from here, if there is any continuation, maybe we can try. Psychological level also is there. Before that only market has corrected. Breakout, retest, respecting 236 level. Just looks like a nice entry, but it's not broken the high. This data also we are yet to receive. Profit booking will happen if market corrects a bit and then continue. We'll see, traders. Just give me a second. We'll try to analyze the global market a bit. Views there on the bullish side itself, that I'm clear. Breakout retest is what I was waiting for. If I enter here, I can place my stop loss somewhere near this zone, around 440 points and all. If I place a stop loss, it's a decent stop loss. So from this, if I plan, I might get around 1:2 risk reward for the trade. This data is what is a bit tricky for me. I'll enter right now, okay? I was waiting for a breakout for it to retest. Everything is done. So little I'll keep my stop loss below. Some of you who wants to wait for a bit more time. Maybe if market breaks this upper level, you can plan with placing your stop loss here. I've placed my stop loss little lower itself to be on a safer side, so that in case if market moves towards the upside, that moment I'll be able to capture a bit early. That's why. Stop loss, target. Who wants to wait for a little more time, okay? If market gives a breakout here, then you can plan. If there is any noise, please this one ignore, because I've opened the windows, kids playing outside. There might be some noise, so I don't know how well this mic is distractions it is avoiding? Is it removing the background noises to a certain extent? Yes or no? Let me know. So please give me a selling strategy in BTC. Already you have told, sir, it will give the selling strategy 2 weeks of April, but no update. Amarnath sir, I think you're not following the live trade what we are doing. Okay, in that at least 2 to 3 times I have told that selling strategy is ready, but in the current market condition, because of Trump, because of China, all those issues, we cannot implement that strategy. I'll give you the strategy, but what you will do, you will go and backtest in a wrong market condition. So instead of that only, I said I'm going to give you a trend based strategy. Where are you from, sir? I'm from Bangalore. Market has given a breakout retest with a strong wick. The strong wick is showing some buying pressure. Again, market has come here. So anyone who wants to wait for the setup, wait for this breakout, maybe small stop loss below this, you can try. That time maybe your risk reward for the trade also will come close to 1:2. Here it is a bit tricky. The correction can happen here. Our sellers are very strong. To safer side, I have kept up to this zone, but too much means it will come up to this zone also later reverse. That's why I'm saying safe traders wait for a while. After this breakout, you plan. While taking the trade only, I have informed you about this. Correction. This resistance level market has tested many times. So usually this breakout market has to, tend to work. 3-4 times market has tested this level means sometimes randomly who enter buy position, market can come down, trap them, later it can move. If the correction is too much, then of course my trade also will get into problem. But if the correction is just near 236 level, 382 level, from here if there is a bounce back, little bit early entry for my trade. That's the reason I plan my entry a bit early. Sir, you're doing only crypto or gold? Gold, I'm just doing investment perspective. I'm looking at the market based on that. Whenever there's an opportunity, from last 1.5 years, 2 years, I've been investing in gold. Before that itself, if you follow my YouTube channel, you know the entire gold movement, what people are screaming about. I think around 54% gains already we have made. From long back, I've been telling that on my YouTube channel. Once Sebi said no need to, you should not be speaking about all these things, I kept quiet. Trading and all I'm not doing in gold. Okay, so this is the setup. As of now, market is correcting a bit. My expectation is before reaching this only it will correct. Little early entry only I have taken. At some point of time, if it comes out of the zone, also placing small stop loss here, look for opportunity up to this zone. If 93,000 level, if market breaks, then a continuation is possible. So we'll take that into consideration. We'll look into other index as well, how it's performing. Ethereum also nice correction. It has given a breakdown. It has attracted people. Hopefully this doesn't become a retest and continuation, rather from the zone only. If it starts moving towards the upside, it can get good stop loss hunting. Solana, I'll go here. Solana's case, it is also correcting. This zone we have to wait and see how market is reacting. If it's going to give a breakdown here, or if it's going to give a bigger breakdown. If it gives a bigger breakdown, then my setup also will fail. What I've taken, I might have to take a re-entry at the lower level. So these two situations are there in the market. Every index, whatever I'm seeing, Solana, Ethereum, everything, it has attracted buyers and then it is corrected. After correction, if the buyers are very strong, quickly it has to start moving towards the upside. Fresh traders wait for some time. When the upside move comes, maybe you can try to capture. How many of you planned for that bearish trade which I discussed yesterday? In the live stream, I was saying, right, market is forming a falling wedge. That means there is a potential of upside move. I'd mentioned that in crypto community group as well as the free Telegram channel also. Sorry, where is that video? I think here. That's it. Market corrected. From here, there is a potential of upside move. I'd taken an entry here, and you guys know what was the result for this trade. During the live market, of course, we did not get the opportunity. We waited, then we were able to capture the bottom. Today also, I was trying to capture the bottom. 2 attempts I did. Okay, one attempt, small stop loss I had given here, and one more small stop loss. I think this setup, this small stop loss I had given here. But both the situation, that small stop loss market took. Third time I had informed that from this zone, market can move towards the upside for a retest. As per that expectation, market moved up, and then I had also informed about this resistance. I told people I'm saying not to take take a trade a breakdown. I am saying if you're holding a buy trade, trail your stop loss as much as possible, because level is tested many times, breakout. If you trail your stop loss, in case this converts to false breakout also, that momentum whatever you have captured to a certain extent, you can book that profit to a certain, right? Instead of trailing the stop loss, if you just keep your stop loss somewhere here or here, when 50% correction and all comes, you'll be a bit disappointed. You can book the profit here. Later when market corrects, you can re-enter. If I had entered here or here, definitely my stop loss would have been somewhere here. All these things I wouldn't have worried that much. $64 people are kind of bullish as of now. I think I had got only two or three messages from you guys where you had said you had given me idea about how to increase the view count for the channel. That idea, I'm just giving it some time and I'll go look into that. Apart from that, anyone who's giving new ideas to grow the channel, because from last 2 months or 4 or 5 months also, I think I started from 4 months back. In the month of November, I started live trading. From then, the view count is not increasing. So if anyone has a good idea, solid idea, if you can do that, you'll be getting a gift voucher of at least $100. So whatever idea you have, here you're seeing this number, right? WhatsApp number. You send a WhatsApp message to this number. We'll be more than happy to look into that. Whichever is the best idea, we will announce that, and also we will be giving you the gift voucher. Okay, maybe Amazon or anything as such. Resistance tested many times. Market has given a breakout. It has converted to false breakout. Market has corrected. To a certain extent, it has reduced the confidence of buyers. Some sellers would have entered to hunt their stop loss. From here only, if market recovers, we'll be in a very good position for this trade. Upcoming and ongoing trades, if I have to message, it will be very difficult. Already I get 150 to 200 messages in every trade whatever I take. Okay, in this case also, when I take the trade, I'm saying this is my target, this is my stop loss, this is my this one. What is the, how much more information should I share? I don't know, but if I'm free, definitely I will reply. But please don't get disappointed in case I do not reply, because when you have taken a trade, you want to discuss something, it is considered emergency. During your emergency time, I might not be there. Right? Srinivasa, I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. I have no problem to activate, discussions in this group. But previously, what I have noticed is when we give everyone access to message, some people come to the group, they keep speaking about some spam. This one, let's say, invest in forex, pay 50,000, will give you sure shot. This one, different links they share, all those nonsense. Some people do, some people believe that and go for that and lose money. I don't want people to get into that kind of trouble. That's why I want to keep only one way conversation. Generally with video, the content and the interaction is better. You can try a few days if there is any increase in viewership. Generally with video, the connect and interaction is better. So like asking how is the weather, how are things going, speaking about geopolitical stuff and all those things. Yes, every crypto target TG channel I have seen has disabled member interaction. That is the main reason. See, whatever I'm explained in this group, you are able to see. We are not doing any kind of promotion. If I'm taking a trade, whatever it is, let's say in the private Telegram group also, when it is Nifty, Bank Nifty, everything I'm discussing here. Not at the same time, later point of day, at least I'm discussing. If I made loss, profit, whatever is the case, everything I'm discussing here. No, he meant with camera on it, be beneficial for the viewership. Okay. Harikumar, are you mentioning that I have to come in front of the camera and speak? Vasant Kumar sir, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. Those of you who's watching the live stream and you have not yet liked the live stream, please do that and mention your name in the comment section. Top 5 names I will announce. Okay. Karthik from Singapore. Hi Karthik, how you doing? How is the weather in Singapore? Last time Feb when I was there, the weather the first day was so much. It was like Chennai, but rest of the days was fine. How is the weather now? See, market has attracted some bearish traders. Now it is giving the move what we want. Anyone who's interested with small stop loss here or here, maybe you can try. This resistance level is there. Let market sustain. Let's say market sustains this level. Below this, you place the stop loss and look for opportunity. So you might be getting 1:2. Yes, I have been seeing the live stream with the video usually have higher views than screen sharing. Okay, I have no problem coming in front of the screen and all. The thing is, you want to know about me, or you want to know about the trading setup or my experience. I've taken a trade here. I'm explaining all the logic, everything here. That is beneficial for you, or what is beneficial? What is the purpose of the live stream? Purpose of the live stream is to uh, you know interact, show people live trading opportunities. So if they're making use of it, eventually 3 months, 6 months, even they can become independent. That is the idea. I've liked your video. Vasant Kumar sir, thank you so much. Pranav sir, hello, welcome to the live stream. Hopefully people who, like I said, if you want, you could have entered at the breakout. I think he has a point, sir. People get more psychology confidence when they see a face behind the voice. Is it? Okay. For 1 week, can we try that? We'll try that. Maybe from Monday, 1 whole week, I will try. Conversation with multiple languages, sir. It interests more. See, conversation in multiple language means you can mix one regional language, two regional language, one regional language in English. For example, ट्रेडर्स इधर देख लीजिए, इधर एक ब्रेकआउट आ चुका है, एक स्मॉल स्टॉप लॉस रख के आई कैन प्लान फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ टारगेट अप टू दिस जोन. ओके, इधर हमारा टारगेट रहेगा. समथिंग लाइक दिस. इफ आई स्पीक इंग्लिश ऑल्सो, आई एम कन्वर्सिंग, हिंदी ऑल्सो आई एम स्पीकिंग, but I am trying to keep this channel in English as much as possible because there are many Hindi channels. Speaking in Hindi, to a certain extent, some people might laugh at the way how I speak Hindi, but definitely I know they will be able to understand what I say. So in case, let's say it's a Tamil channel, I can speak in Tamil as well as English. It's a Telugu channel, I can speak in Telugu as well as English. But some people who stay in Hyderabad, maybe they're comfortable with Hindi also. I can mix Hindi and Telugu, like that I can speak. So combination of one regional language and English, like you said, might work. This is one crucial zone, traders. This area is one crucial zone. I don't know how well market will respect this area. If it comes down for correction also and moves up, I'm fine with it. This is a crucial zone for me. If it sustains that level, then I have high hopes of reaching this zone. Converse with multiple languages, sir. It's I've read that. Just an idea, sir, to increase viewership. Hari Kumar, sir, I understood. I'll try that. Okay, Monday, maybe 1 or 2 days I will try. We will see how it goes. How many of you entered along with me? Definitely there's a pressure zone, traders. That's why I marked this. Safe, traders. If you consider to exit, you exit. My target is up to this zone. Hopefully breakout has happened, retest has happened, continuation. If it happens when market goes above 93,000, then hopefully I'll get the move I want. Converts to sideways market, it's a problem. How to book partial profit? You can click here. Where is it? Okay, you scroll down And here I think you have to press this. Here it will ask 50%, 25%, 10%, 75%. So here you can choose how much percentage you want, or you can choose how much. Once you choose, click on confirm, that position will get exited. Okay. Partially you can book it there. Go to this action button, choose how much percentage you want to book. If you choose 50%, in my case 150 quantity, half means 75 quantity, I will book now. Okay, like that. So is one kind of pressure area, traders. I saw morning I took both trades and both hit SL. So I will stop for today and restart tomorrow. Okay. Following risk reward, managing your risk appetite is very much important. If you're strictly following that, congrats to you. If you consider yourself as a safe trader, you see this area previously it was acting as resistance. I think it's also a 786 level. You can exit here. When market retest and shows continuation, you want to re-enter, maybe you can re-enter. But problem is brokerage, you might have to pay twice. Take that into consideration. Sheila Muthu ma'am, I booked. Okay. Srinivas sir entered. Mahesh sir entered. Pradeep, how to book partial profit? I've explained that. How much market will respect this? I'm having 50% chance. That's why I'm saying safe traders exit here. I keep so much risk, reduce the risk also. Breakout, retest, breakout. Then why so much risk? Below this green candle. Below this green candle is one problem. I'll keep it here as of now. As much as possible, I've reduced from $70. I've got it to $36. If this is just a liquidity grab and then again upside movements, that would be fine for me. What is global market doing? Nasdaq 1.4, S&P 500. Look at the chart. Why is this data coming like this? What is I don't know why is this data coming like this. See, pressure. I exited. Okay. Who exited here? Fine. Who's holding with me? We will see. Sometimes quickly we have to keep booking the profit and exiting from the market, right traders? We know this is the area, we book the profit, wait for the next setup, again we have to enter. Like that when we do things in our Nifty's trade today also, morning only upper level I have planned, bearish trade. Market came to the zone. It was a nice premium movement. From 23, 24, it went up to 70 to 80 something. Quickly discussed at the zone we can exit. After that retest, I said this is where sellers can re-enter, but throughout the day how small movement market did, that was an issue for me. Nasdaq is about to reach yesterday's seller's pressure zone. I don't know why this data is not coming properly. I'll close all this. Not able to get this information. Sometimes this, money control might create this kind of issue. Booked profit, exited. And I say exactly at the higher level, if you want to exit, then if you exit, it makes sense. If you're booking here means rather than that, you could have waited only. Sir, why don't you use the main trading view website, sir? It reflects immediately. I used 2-3 profiles in that. One in my wife's, this one, another one for business, one for my personal. So always I have to log into different trading view account. That becomes an issue for me here. Again, this 236 level support. From the swing high, swing low, this 382 level, market exactly it has respected that level and moved towards the upside. You will see too much of risk we will not take in this trade. Below 382 level, if it goes, book this one and exit. Booked 500 points. Good for you. Happy for you. Tomorrow I will use, okay, dedicated for crypto group only. I will keep one, what do I call it as? I'll have a this one trading view account. In that I will look into everything and I will explain. Okay, don't worry. I'll do it from tomorrow, maximum by Monday. Now what certain things when I come live stream, I keep saying people is, see, I've told just the level. From here, if you want to book, you exit. If you're a safe trader, some people will book, other people will not book. First of all, they don't know if they're a safe trader or not. How do you know you're a safe trader? That whatever stop loss you have kept, if market comes and hit that stop loss, is it going to affect you? Are you going to have pressure in the night while sleeping thinking that you made loss? That means you're a safe trader. Okay, that means wherever I say this is the area where you need to plan your exit, if you exit, that will be good for you. Same thing, today's market, let me show it to you. What is there in that? All right, where is it? Sorry, my bad. Market had said there's a high probability that Bank Nifty, we should not plan bearish. There's a potential of Bank Nifty moving towards the upside to hunt the stop loss. Bank Nifty moved up to what level it moved? It moved up to the resistance area what I provided in the morning. Okay, and then don't worry about the trade. I'm looking at the PNL here itself. Okay, and later when market moved towards the upside, Bank Nifty reached the has reached the resistance. Nifty coming to resistance. I said I'm taking bearish trade. What time I said around 9:37. From then, if you see what kind of movement the premium chart has done, let's say this is the entry. Okay, risk is around 20 points, whatever you consider. It has gone up to 80 points. I said safe traders, market has come to the support. Don't take do not hold a trade for longer duration. I'm thinking of something different. I want to target big, right? So where did I say people to exit? Don't take any random call trade I've told. This and all I've shared in the group, that's fine. Where is it? Support one reached. Uh, if you want to exit now or at the support one, uh, or the target level, it's entirely up to you. Support one reached. So I had told here also somewhere, whoever wants to exit, exit. People don't exit because they have higher hopes. They want to make bigger profit. See, here you want to make bigger profit, no doubt, but you should be okay to give that loss. As long as you're not okay to give that loss, wherever I'm saying safe traders book your profit and exit, you have to exit. Most of the time you guys would have seen the live stream. In that, how much movement have we captured, right? And I only personally will say, in certain situation where it is better if you trail your stop loss, do not exit. For example, in yesterday's live trading case, where is it? This setup. Okay, in the group also I had said, I don't know where it went. When I need, I will not find the messages. See, I was given the setup. I've told trail, make sure this is a risk-free trade by reducing SL. I've asked people to reduce SL. Even if market is going, giving $70-80 profit also, I'm saying don't exit. Because certain situations we know it has potential of upside move. When it becomes 50%, 60%, like that, it becomes a problem. I say safe traders exit now. Okay, I hope you're getting the clarity. Sir, I have a question specially to BTC. Given the volume of the market and given 24/7 of its nature, how good is it to look at very higher time frame like 4 hours or daily time frame? It's very good you look at daily time frame, because compared to Indian market here, support and resistance level and all to a certain extent works better. But you need to understand, when you're trading in intraday, here let's say you're giving 600-700 points as the risk. In that higher time frame, when you trade, it will be at least 1000 1500, if you want, because you're trying to capture the exact top or exact bottom. If you try to capture the exact bottom by giving small stop loss, there is a chance that it will hit the stop loss 2-3 times until you get the movement. In today's case, it happened for me, right? I wanted to capture the bottom. One attempt I did here, another one more attempt I wanted to do here. Two places stop loss it. Only later market gave the movement that I wanted. That's not under my control. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to think, okay, at least 1000 points is a reasonable risk. For that, will I be able to capture 2000 points, something like that? Like that mindset, if you have, see, 1000 points from half day, already 1500 points market has reached. Another 300-400 points, let's say market gave a breakout, shows continuation. 94,000 is not too far for the market to achieve. At some point of time, when you have identified the strong support, market is showing continuation, then you get it to cost, then you hold on to the trade for how much ever long you want. That you can do on a higher time frame trades. When most of the players have closed their position quickly. In which case are you asking, or in which context you are asking me this question? I'm not aware. Now I'll conduct a poll. Please answer. Please participate in the poll. More than 70% of you prefer bigger screen. Hmm? Okay. But most of you, whatever screenshots, whatever you guys share with me. So today people share screenshot. Where is that? Most of the screenshot what people share, majority is on mobile phone itself. Hmm? All the trades people are taking on mobile phone. That's why I'm a bit confused. This live stream also, in which do you watch? You prefer to watch it on mobile? I think you watch the live stream on mobile and then maybe you take the trades on your system. Is that what you guys do? The context was whether it is even useful to do that, sir, since we trade in or 5 minutes time frame, would look at 4 hour. No, you can, if you're trading in first, of course, what you have to do to look at a bigger picture. Okay, you have to mark certain important levels. In case, let's say on a 4 hour time frame, this is the resistance, there is no other resistance here. And this is the support. Market is in between. In between, when you're looking for opportunity, you're trading in 5 minutes time frame, 3 minutes time frame, the best thing you can do, you can avoid looking at this. Okay, in between, what is the price action, shorter duration, what market is doing, that is what you can try to focus on. Okay, is it? Here also market has given a breakout has converted to failure, and here, if I consider these areas as support, this is a rising wedge. Market has given a breakdown, again moved up, false breakout, again moved down. Complete confusion here. Only thing is, tested this level many times, breakout, market has retested once, gone below that, moved up, buying pressure, again came down, again it is testing this level. Hopefully for stop loss from this zone, I've got it up to this zone. More than that, what stop loss should I give? The Delta Exchange app is definitely annoying. Laptop is just the way more convenient. Trying to track the SL or TP levels on the app is a bit frustrating. Okay, I use bigger screen for both. Only using mobile when traveling. Okay, sir. US market full up. I think they are trying to weed out some small players and big movement. Hopefully traders see breakout has happened, retest has happened. This has to continue. I know this was the area where sellers can put pressure. They put that, but how much more will it correct? From here only, if it corrects, fine, or else just a headache for me to plan for one more trade. This US market though, right? I mean, this money control website, when it works perfectly. If not, we'll see. Even my view is bullish. I was waiting for breakout, retest, continuation. I planned my entry. Okay. Now next time again, what I have to do in case this stop loss, what I've kept here, I've revised it here. If market moves down, takes the support at the zone here, any reversal I have to check. I personally feel the buyers who are there at the bottom, they are kind of strong. Okay. If they are strong, around 382 level, ideally they have to push. In case they don't push, if market corrects from this zone, I don't think it's going to test this bottom anytime today. It might go up to 94,000 range also. With that view only, I'm sitting in the market. Today there was a issue with Delta Exchange. Do you know? Yes, there was first, I think they had some maintenance time, right? I called them, I've spoken with them. They had that maintenance time, I think from 9:30 to 10:30, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So during that time they made some changes. It has created some this one issue, and they again went to maintenance and they sorted out. Technology company always here or there once in a while. Tell me about this one app or this one platform which has not come with any issue. I've seen it in Zerodha. People say that is popular. In Kite I've seen. Angel One I've seen. Upstocks, yeah, Upstocks I have used. I've seen in that. I've not used Done. I'm not sure about that. Alice Blue I have seen. So issue is there. I called them up. Someone highlighted that to me. I spoke to Delta Exchange team immediately. They said it will get rectified within 15-20 minutes. So once that was rectified, we just went ahead. See, technology wise, everything will have an issue, right? But who's accessible and who's going to give you the support or the update? I'm giving a call to Delta Exchange. I'm asking about the issue. They're saying this is what it is. This is the issue. This is how we are going to sort it out. You will get an update within next 15-20 minutes. So that gives me some kind of confidence. This is what, if I use Exynos, okay? There also downtime is there. Issue is there. Whom do you reach out to in Exynos? I am 100% sure whoever maybe you are following with, whatever it is, they might tell you, okay, I've reached out to the team. Getting a hold of Exynos team is not easy. That I have seen 2 to 3 times where people have shared their experience with me. Okay, so you guys decide what is good for you. If I'm wrong, if my point of view is wrong, you let me know. No problem. I can only share the experience, what I have come across, what I have noticed, right? Can I re-enter now? 382 level is holding, right? So hold on to this level, placing stop loss here, exactly where I have placed. From here you want to enter, you can enter. Because here only you will get 1:2 risk reward, or at least when market comes to the zone, you can slowly trail your stop loss. At least that you can do, right? If I am there, I would have taken an entry without worrying too much about the stop loss. Stop loss also is what, very small here. 250 to 300 points. See, 2 areas these buyers can enter. One at the zone, okay? They would enter and push the market towards the upside, or they will push the market lower. Slowly they will attract. Slowly, if it comes only, it matters. Slowly if it comes, and then it gives a breakout, then it has potential. So two areas buyers can become active. First area I'm trying because when I'm in live stream, this is where buyers can get active, so I have entered. Those of you watching the live stream, if you're making use of the content, support the channel traders by liking the video. Motivates me to make regular videos like this. From 3 months, 3.5 months, I'm saying the same thing. 51 people are watching, only 37 likes. For putting order, I use mobile, but for observation, I use big screen. That is a better way. Once every setup, all those things, if you look into everything on a bigger screen, you mark all those levels and then come down to place the order on your mobile app. Then rest of the things you can just lie down on the bed or something like that and watch, because you have decided your entry, target, stop loss. Rest of the easy trailing the stop loss or booking the profit and all, you can do it on mobile. That should not be a problem. Exactly, live on mobile and trade on laptop. Okay. Too much market is sideways, huh? US market though, it is nicely moving towards the upside. Gone as per the US market. I think it has broken the upper level also. No, buyers are not giving the information. From tomorrow I will switch to trading view. Okay, today just pardon me for this, simply unnecessary. Much trapping the market has done, your C traders. Breakout, failure, again retest, again coming to the support. Full on confusion. According to me, probability is high that market will move towards the upside itself. Too much holding at this zone. I think this time if it breaks, it will not hold. This time if it breaks this level, it will not hold. Next target will be not the resistance, it will give a breakout, and then it might show some correction or continuation, also retest continuation, like that. Anyone who's interested to take a fresh trade, you can enter here, okay, placing a small stop loss, because this has a good possibility of upside continuation. Okay, if stop loss also, it is just 300 points. It's very common in BTC to give 300 350 points risk. Okay, so if you're interested, you can plan your entry exactly near my level, stop loss exactly near my level. So target also same as this. This is a re-entry opportunity. Now guys, in the comment section, let me know, what do you guys actually do? If some of you, are you studying, are you working, what is it? Last time I had asked this, but many new people also have come to the channel. So if you're interested to share, what is your profession, what do you do for living, if you would like to share about that and where are you from, it will be a good discussion that we will have. Most of the times what I feel is, people who comes to the channel, they will see that I'm speaking only in English, I'm not speaking in Hindi, so people think about going out. Quickly they go out of the channel. That's what I feel. SMD Gaming, you're from Chennai. Okay, sir. Someone asked me, should I enter? I had told you that you can enter here. I had informed in the group. If you have entered, good. Let it break off this level, traders. It will have a good potential. What is this? Oh, traders, I did. Thanks. Okay. I am a higher education consultant. I worked for Bangalore for 10 years actually. I teach and also consult clients who wish to go to for MBA studying abroad. Okay, cool. Sounds interesting. For which country do you actually get more of the this one request for MBA? Is it Canada? Just little more. Just break this upper level. Then smoothly you have a good potential of at least reaching 93,700 to 800 zone. Just this 93,780. Just break this level. Mainly US, sir. US means Telugu people only, most of them. That's what I think. You can tell me. At least to a certain extent, a good volume of people will be from who will be those who speak Telugu itself, because most of them, they only prefer to go to US. Not for MBA, sir. Telugu folks wish to go for MS programs mostly. Most of my MBA clients are from the north. Oh, okay. Just break this 93,180. Can you tell more details about your investing in gold, sir? Are you buying gold bees or other investments? Yes, throughout I cannot buy gold bees, right? To a certain extent, let's say I cannot tell you how much, but I will tell you 50% is in physical gold, rest 50% is in gold bees. Actually 60% in physical gold. Again, I'm going to increase in gold bees also. So combining together, it's a good sum of amount. If you go to my I think free Telegram channel, only search for gold bees. No, yeah, it's very big. I don't know how to search. You can see how gold bees is moving. When was this update? This was 21st October 2024. That time only I had spoken about that. Last year video what I made, random buyers, I think somewhere I would have shared the video also about gold bees. Those who have watched that, good, who's regularly following the channel, they know. Please note yesterday in an all-time dollar, typically this one here also I think. Don't be surprised if gold ETF Bs or physical gold price decreases this week. That is okay. That week I had said it will decrease. I think this one is June 25th. I don't know exactly where, but I would have discussed about that and explained here. I think somewhere I would have explained gold bees and all. Import tax duty has reduced. This is why gold prices tomorrow is the opportunity for me to accumulate. All explained in analysis video. That analysis video I would have explained. So from 2023 2024 I've been speaking about, you know, gold, buy gold for investment. At least I'm not told others to buy. I'm saying at least I am buying gold for investment, and I've given all the logic. You invested in gold or not, that was up to you. So 50%, 60% is physical gold, because spouse is there, mom is there. They don't care about gold bees, they care about physical gold. So for them, whatever gold we need to accumulate, we accumulate that, and then rest of the things is gold bees for my purpose. Mainly I buy that is because of the hedge against the dollar situation, right? A dollar value keeps increasing, Indian rupees keeps decreasing. So any import that we do of gold, it is from dollars itself. So for us, it is eventually going to be more expensive if Indian currency value reduces. Then buying gold as a hedge made more sense. That's why I accumulated gold. What is this bullshit again? M pattern. Sideways till this level. Headache, it is headache. Close to 1.5 hours I'm sitting here. Do you have any video on VWAP? If not, what is your opinion on the indicator? See, earlier stage I would have used many indicators. One of my friend uses VWAP, and he also uses, what is that? RSI indicator, divergence, and things like that. He's told he's got very good results. I have not taken too much of trades recently in the last 2 years, at least 2.5 years at least. I have not traded in any other this one except price action, stop loss hunting using Fibonacci levels, and mostly EMA. Those things somewhat I have used. This VWAP and all, recent times I have not seen how the performance is. Have some water, sir. Thank you so much. I'll go get some water. It's here itself. Thank you. What do you think, traders? Will the setup work? Will market move towards the upside? Give us the target, or it's going to just become sideways, forming the same pattern? It's going to trap me. What is your opinion? I sir need trading roadmap, sir. Trading roadmap and all, I've already made a video on YouTube. If you go to our channel and look for how to recover loss in stock market, you will find that video. In that, doesn't matter if you're new to trading or if you're making continuous loss in the market, if you watch that video, it has so much data, right? So the 30 minutes video would be more than enough from to get the information that you need. Smart money concept or ICT, which would I'm aware of smart money concept and things like that, but where people draw that choke, break of structure, all of those things. But I don't mark all those levels in it. Rather, I eyeball certain things. If you see the price action stop loss hunting concept, what I use, it is somewhat related to that itself. Okay. Stop loss hunting is what liquidity is there. It will grab the liquidity and correct something like that. Take that into consideration. So learning smart money concept might be good. Learn stop loss hunting. It is more easy. If you're testing only 0.236 level, it's testing our patience also. It's not testing. Yeah, it is, sir. What to do? See, sometimes when we enter, it gives very good this one reward. Sometimes when we have waited, we have captured 2000 points also, 3000 also sometimes. Nasdaq is exactly selling from yesterday's seller zone. If BTC follows that, this is trouble. Okay. This one is for Nasdaq. I'm not getting this data, traders. I'll sort all this out tomorrow. Okay. Just logged out. Now it is going as per the view. Now whoever entered along with me, what you do is trail your stop loss to as much as possible. You can trail your stop loss to here also if you wish. Okay. Breakout what we were waiting for. Finally, we have got 400 points movement. Okay. Come on, BTC. What if this converts to a false breakout? Only $9 is the risk for me now. Continuation, it has tested many times. So what we will do, we will trail our stop loss here. Okay, this candle I have trailed the stop loss. Now whatever happens, okay, whatever happens in the trade, we are going to be profitable itself. We are going to make $44 or we are going to make $120. It's up to the market. Come on, be too good. Yeah, good, good. Too much of drawings I have put here. A proper trend line, resistance, breakout, retest, continuation. Here only I thought it will continue. I don't know why so much sideways and then continue. Anyways, pressure is there on top here. Whatever it is below this, I have kept the stop loss. If it hits the stop loss, I will exit. From here, if it continues, good movement. Sir, can you explain how can we trail SL to the next and next level without making fake out? Next level without giving fake out. Okay. Let's say you entered somewhere here. Okay. You draw the Fibonacci levels. Let's say you placed your stop loss here. Now you get your stop loss to this zone. If market corrects 50%, 60%, then gives a breakout, get your stop loss here. Okay. After this breakout, like that only you keep extending your Fibonacci levels and go. This and all I'm doing here right now because already stream is 1 hour 20 minutes. In this, after that also again, if I hold on, market correct, something happens, simply people will get disappointed. They might feel it is a waste of time. Whoever entered along with me, still holding, you would be profitable. When I asked you to exit here, if you have exited also, you will be profitable. At the current zone, if you exit also, you will be profitable. Two times exited. Two times exited. What time? What setup you're talking about, sir? The Song of the Bulls and Bears. Nice name. So I hope you have understood. You can use the Fibonacci levels if you wish to. Pressure, pressure. Until this wick is cleared, it is a problem only. Here some selling pressure I can see. If it continues this trailing stop loss, it will take. Hopefully it goes above this zone. Still holding. Okay. Very minimal stop loss for the trade as of now. Because there are no traders, this is the problem. This is the problem. What the heck? Okay, the trailing small stop loss market took net to net anyways in order history. If you go this trade, we have booked profit itself. This I made loss in that trade. What I said in crypto group, I took this trade, right? In that I had made loss. Okay. All right. Too much of games market has played. That's okay. Anyways, net to net we have closed profitable. This wick is very strong. Okay. Next, if market gives a correction, any kind of breakout, then look for opportunity towards the upside. What level market can correct? Support 1, support 2, support 3. It can come to support 4 and then again breakout. I have no patience to wait. I need at least 30 minutes, 40 minutes break from this market. Where I learned trading, I learned from a foreigner, sir. I learned long back. Okay, this one trade only has made me so this one. Anyways, view still bullish. Market has broken this upper level. It's broken this upper level. This wick is there. As long as this wick clears, it is difficult. If it corrects, again, if there is any pullback, small stop, low, higher lows, higher high. If market is forming, small stop loss. Look for bullish trade. Okay. This is the view as of now. At this point of time, this is kind of a pressure zone. Avoid any trade here. If you want to try this one, if really sellers get activated, they want to push the market here. Here maybe only bearish trade you try. If you want to trade bullish trade, wait for a reversal, or if market goes above the zone, try for bullish trade. Okay. Right now, only focus on bearish trade or just keep quiet. Thanks for today. Have a good night. All right. Thanks everyone. Thanks for participating. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. All right. If you want to take bearish trade, you can take here, but small stop loss, nothing big. If movement continues, okay. If you are bullish, wait for some time. Any breakout here, or by chance market goes and breaks this level, then you can look for bullish. Okay. Next target will be not this resistance. It will be this resistance, this area. So here when you enter, maybe stop loss you place here, you will get around 700 points for 300 points risk. All right. Thanks for participating. Good night. Take care. Bye bye.